Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am going to tell you about how to solve keep stopping problem in your Realme smartphone. So let's fix it. So let's start the video, friends. So if your anything stops, like if it is your screen, your display, your app, or anything, if it is stopping your uh, in the device, you have to just fix this. So friends, let's click on the settings. Then friends, you have to go to the application. If it is a application, then go to manage apps. Here it will show the all system apps, everything it will show up on here. So you can just tap on this. Here it is the application. Select the application. You have to fix it if it is not opening, or if it is keep stopping or not responding these like issues. Click on storage issue. You have to clear cache and clear data. After that you have to just restart your smartphone, so your problem will be fixed. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.